Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set videos in your YouTube channel from public to unlisted using the YouTube Studio application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to YouTube, log into your account and access your account by clicking on your channel profile in the top right and click into YouTube Studio here. Next, head over to content here to the left, head over to videos, or if you'd like to unlist shorts, for example, head over to shorts. So it can go with videos. After that, go through that list. And here under visibility, you will see the given video's current status like public, or if I click on that arrow down icon, I will be given the opportunity to switch to private or to unlisted. And that's basically it. To confirm that, click on save here, and that is going to change the status of the given video. And that's how it works, guys. You may do the same with videos you haven't published yet, but that are scheduled, like this one here, for example. Click into that arrow down icon and change the status here under save for published to unlisted. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.